Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can see.
Okay, so guys, very important document. Before you start doing any configuration, you have to prepare the KDS document, key data structure document. Okay, so for every topic, you have to prepare in the Excel sheet. So this is known as a KDS document, key data structure. Okay, here you have to write the heading, you have to write the path, you have to write the T code, you can write the table name, okay, and you can write either it is client dependent or client independent. Okay, now to configure the company, what are the details you need, you have to note it down. Okay, so generally to configure the company, we need company codification, its name, if it has second name, post street, PO box, postal code, city, country, language, and currency. Okay, so here we are planning to create 4 company code. As I said, in real time, we always create one company code is equal to one company. There is one to one mapping. Okay, one to one assignment in real time because of document splitting. So that's the reason we have decided here to create 4 company code. This is our company codes. So company, while deciding the company, here company code followed by 20 is my company. Okay, company code followed by 20. It completely depends on client, completely depends on business, how they want the codification. Some client will need only company and company code, same code. Okay, some client will put 10 front. Okay, 10 followed by company code. Some client will put 20 followed by company code. Some client I have seen they'll put 00. So it completely depends on client. You have to discuss and you have to prepare this document before you start doing configuration. Okay, so here this is the company for Apple USA, and this these are the 4 company we are going to create. It is their description. This is the street. Okay, this is the PO box, this is the postal code, this is the city, this is the country, this is the language, this is the currency. Likewise, for every topic, you have to prepare the key data structure before you start doing configuration. Similarly, go for company, write here heading. Okay, then write the path, write the T code, write the table, write the SAP label, either it is client dependent or independent. I will tell you what is called client dependent and independent. Everything I'll tell you how to write this one. Then here to create the company code, you need company code, codification. It is 4-digit alphanumeric code. Then its name, then street, PO box, postal code, city, country, language, fax ID, email ID. Okay, all this you can note it down. Okay, so all this detail you have to note it down before you actually begin the configuration. Similarly, what is there? Then next you have to link the company with the company code. So company and company code you have to link. Similarly, like this. Now next is a business area. This is define business area. Okay. So to define the business area, this is the path, this is the T code, this is the table. And to define the business area, you need code and you need description only. Okay, so we are going to define APAC business area, North America business area, Africa business area, and Australia business area. Okay, so this code you have to define, note it down before you actually begin the configuration. So likewise, you must, for every topic you must prepare the key data structure. Okay, what happened during the preparation time, you'll start getting lot of doubts, so you can get it clarified from the business. Okay, you can get it clarified from the business. Let's say you don't know what will be the PO box, or you don't know what will be the postal code per company code, or what will be the city. You can ask to the business. Okay, similarly, you don't know what will be currency. Sometime, let's say company is located in USA. Generally, if company code is located in USA, then currency will be USD. But sometime, although company is located in the USA, but currency may be different also. This generally happen in high inflated country. Okay, let's say Ghana. In South Africa, there are a lot of high inflated country. So their country currency will be different, but actually you'll be giving the company code currency something different. Similarly, let's say European country. If you are doing the configuration in the Switzerland, Switzerland has different currency. I think Swiss franc, but you may give the euro currency as a company code currency. Okay, because euro is a European currency, but actually Switzerland currency is different. So all these things you have properly note it down before you begin the configuration. So this is known as a key data structure document. It is very important document, and this is the reference document which are base document to do your configuration. Okay, now how to prepare this document, what I have written, this I'm going to teach you. Okay, so first we'll begin from the define company. So go to SAP, log into your development system. Okay, all the configuration you do in the development system. So if you remember, I told whenever you open your login pad, there will be lot of system will be there. There will be development system, sandbox system, quality system, pre-production system, and many more system. Please, before you log in and start doing configuration, you must know which is your development system and do the configuration in the development system. Okay, all the configurations you do in the development system. So this is my S4H is my development system. That's the reason I am double click and I log in the development system. Okay, I log in the development system. Okay, now I know where I have to create the company. So go to, if you remember, I taught you there are two screen. This is the individual screen and there is something called IMG screen. That is the consultant screen. So to reach to IMG screen, I have taught you three ways. So easiest way is click here, yes, IMG. Okay, hit enter. So it will take you to the IMG screen. Okay, so this is known as a IMG screen, implementation guide screen. So here you do the uh, you do the actual configuration. Our consultant does the configuration here. So we we are going to create the company. So company will be finding here. Go to enterprise structure, expand this one. This button is there, no? If you click here, it will get expanded. If you want to read anything, you can click on this document, double click. So you'll understand what is called enterprise structure. You'll give some idea. Okay, you can read the document. Then click on this one. Then again click on this one. Okay, now click on financial accounting. So here it is there, here it is there. Okay, now this is the document. If you want to read what is called company, you can double click on this one and you can read it. This watch button is execution button. Okay, execution button. Now if you want to know what is the T code for this company, to define the company, then go to here, the menu bar, additional information, go to here additional information, then go to again additional information, then go to display key, then go to img activity. Okay, this many thing you have to go. Again I'm telling, go to here additional information, go to additional information, go to display key, go to img, double click on this one. So see here, this side comes, few buttons come, few information comes. So last 4 digit your key T code, last 4 digit is your T code. So that's the reason. First path, see I have written, first I written the heading define company, then path. How I written the path? I written yes img, then I came in this screen, then enterprise structure. See enterprise structure. Then next I click on definition, then financial accounting, then define company. So this is what I have written the path. If you want to, uh, if you don't want to write one by one like this, then you just right click on this, put your cursor and right click, show path here. So this is the path. You can copy and you can paste there. Okay. This is the path. So you can copy and you can paste here. In case if you don't want to write one by one here while writing, while preparing this document, so you can copy and paste like this. Okay. Now T code, see just now I shown you the T code. OX15 is a T code. OX15 is a T code. Now double click on this one. Okay, it comes like this. So if you have already, if there will be many things already created by SAP standard. Okay, SAP also gives some standard company. You have to click on new entries. Okay, you click on new entries. Now select this code. This code you have to copy, enter here. Now take this one description, put here. If you have any other description, second name, okay, sometime your first name may be so much big that it is not sufficient to write everything here. So remaining part you can write here. Then street, okay, this is the street. Then PO box, copy this here, PO box. Give your postal code. See, these are everything I have taken dummy. You have to take real, okay? So whenever you discuss with the business, you need to know what is the Apple US Private Limited street, where it is located, what is the street, what is the PO box, what is the postal code, what is the city, what is the country. You have to collect with the business all this detail before you start writing here. So this document you have to prepare perfectly fine. If you don't prepare perfectly fine, then whenever you print the invoice and all, your address will go wrong. Okay, so this detail you have to write. Okay, you have to write these details, then hit enter, and you have to either press Ctrl yes button or you can save here. So save here. Okay, for the first time there won't be any, there won't be any transport request. Okay, so this is known as a transport request. What is the use of the transport request? You can save, you can save your whatever configuration you have done, you can save in the transport request. So transport request generally in real time we don't create directly in the SAP. Okay, we use some tool called charm tool. Either use charm tool or we use tool called RapeTrack. These two tools are very famous in the market to create the transport request. One is the charm, one is known as a RapeTrack. These two tool I have seen, I have used. If you have used any other tool or your colleagues or your friends have used any other tool, I'm not sure, but this tool 99% companies are using. Okay, charm tool. What will be the use of the charm tool? I'll send you one video, you can watch that. It is the tool where you create the transport request. Now what is the use of the transport request? That will help you to save your changes, whatever configuration you are doing, that you can save in the transport request. So if transport request is already created, then you have to go to here on request, click on request. See here, this many transport requests I have already created. So I can select on which transport request I want to save it. Okay, but if I have not created any transport request previously, then I have to click on this one, create request. Then here I have to give the description. I have to give the description. Okay, now since you are working in the R2R area and this configuration belongs to R2R area, that is called record to report. So you start like R2R underscore. Okay, generally this enterprise structure is a part of the GL. Whoever is working in the GL area, it is part of the GL person. Okay, so you can write like general ledger, something like that. Okay, or you can write enterprise structure also, not a fight, not a problem. General ledger. Okay, underscore. Then every configuration will be tracked by some number. Okay, that is known as a configurational number. One number will be there. Okay, what is that number? In shortcut you try to understand, that is, let's say, ticket number. Okay, so every configuration will be tracked by the ticket number. Okay, so tomorrow if I open that ticket number, I should be able to find every detail about the configuration. What were the documents were created, either those documents were approved or not. Okay, so everything, if I open that ticket number in the tool, I should be able to get all the details about the configuration, and you have to attach all the related document in that tickets. So I'll be telling you what are other documents also you have to prepare along with this configuration. So you have to write R2R general ledger followed by the ticket number. Let's say my ticket number will be 12345. Okay, okay, then underscore. Sometime you have to write the release also. Release means in which month from development you are moving to the production system. Okay, in which month you are moving. Let's say release means R. Let's say I'm going live in the I'm going live in the first of 2025. So I'll write like R1 dot 25. Okay, like this. So there will be some naming convention of writing the transport request description. So that will be given or guided by your managers. You can ask them and you can check them what will be the this description, the TR. So now after giving this description, click on save and one number will get generated. See, this number got generated. Now whenever you do any general ledger related or enterprise related configuration, everything you have to save in this transport request only. Okay, now save it. So this is done. Okay, now create another one. No, sorry, I came back again. Go inside. Now new entries. If I'll talk about all other thing like what is called copy. You can copy, you can delete and everything, but I don't want to confuse. Now follow new entries only. So now create another one. Give all this detail. Mumbai. Please focus. Is very important in real time when you are working. You should not get confused. Okay. INR. Hit enter and save again. See here. Again it is asking. Now next time when I'm saving, I have to save in same transport request. Okay, in same transport request. Let's say If this transport request is not coming, then I have to go to on request, click on on request. So all my list of the transport requests will be available here. So I have to double click on whichever I want to save. So I know this is my correct transport request. So I have to double click on this one and I have to save it. Okay. So it will come. If I double click on something else, another will come. Let's say I want to save on this one, second one. So if I'll double click, then this will come. Sub testing VQA upload. Okay, so make sure that all the configuration you are saving in the right transport request. So on request, go again and double click on first one, because this is the right transport request. This is very important. This is the basic checkup you have to do, basic precaution you have to take while doing the configuration. You need to save in the right configuration, the right TR. Very important. If you save in different TR mistakenly, that will cause lot of issue. So please save in the right transport request. Okay, so this is done. Okay, likewise I have to create everything. Okay, let me create today. Okay, later remaining you can create. Now next is a company code. Okay, so two I have created, later I'll create two. Now next is create company code. Now for company code also path is same. So here if you see, define company code path, this is the path. Okay, so here this is the path. So edit, copy, delete and check company code. This is the defined company code. So from this you can edit company code, you can copy company code, you can delete company code, you can check company code. Okay, and this is the T code OX02. So this is the path I have written and this is the T code I have written. Okay, now double click on this one. Okay, then click on edit company code. Okay, then go to new entries and now give this one US 75. It is 4-digit alphanumeric code. Now give here like this. Give city, Silicon Valley. Give country. Country is a US. Currency is a USD. Language is a English. Then click on this button. Okay, address. Click on this button. Then it open like this. Little more detail about the company code. Okay. Again copy this one. You can select here what kind of company it is. So it is company. Give here. If you have more detail, you can, big name is there, you can put here. If you need any more, then you can double click on this one. So few more. Okay, so first it is asking enter this one, then it will get expanded. So any search term, any nickname, if this company has, you can write here any nickname. Let's say Apple USA or something. If you have any nickname, you can write here. Then give the street. This is the street and this is the house number. Okay, so if you have collected the street, this is the street, house number. If it is mandatory, you have to collect from the business and you have to write the house number, and that should be noted down in the KDS document. Okay, and anything looks like this, see, anything looks like this, it means this is the mandatory field. Okay, until unless you enter this field, it will not allow to save. So this is known as a mandatory field. If anything is not like this, that is not a mandatory field. Let's say here house number, it is not like this mark, so it is not mandatory. Even if you give, don't give, not a problem. Okay, so you have to check with the business if entering the house number is a mandatory as a part of company code address or not. If they say yes, then you have to enter here. Then enter the postal. You have already selected here postal code. Select your postal code. This is the city. Okay, postal code / city means first field is a postal code, second is a city. So give the city, then give the country US, and you can give the region. Region is state. So here, check here where this located. Okay, state. So wherever it is located, you have to select the correct one. Okay, let's say I'm selecting New Jersey. So all this should be recorded in your KDS document. Okay, all this should be recorded in your KDS document. Let's say region is missing here. So region field, okay, must be recorded in the KDS document. Now PO box, postal code, and if you need any more details, see here, double click on this one, you'll get more detail. See, it open like this. More detail you can write. Here if open, double click, it opens like more fields. If you double click, it get minimizes. If you double click, it will get minimizes. Okay. Then language you enter. Then what is the company official email ID, company official mobile phone, company official fax number. Okay, so all this detail you have to enter. Okay, now after entering this thing, you click on preview. Your print preview is there. You click on this. So your company code, whenever you print this company description in any invoice copy, this is how it will look. It will look company like this, like this, like this. This is how your address, company code address will appear like this. Okay, this is how your company code address will appear like this. Okay, now click on this OK button here. Here you have OK button, or you can hit enter also. Hit enter or OK button. Now once after filling this detail, you have to click on save button. Either you click on save button or you press Ctrl yes, save it. Hit enter one more time, then it comes like this. Again, make sure you are saving in the right transport request. Okay, so this is my right transport request, so click on this one. Now it got saved. Likewise, everything you have to configure. Likewise, every company code you have to configure. So to configure in SAP, you have to make sure that you have prepared the KDS document in detail. Is it clear, everyone? What is called KDS document? Anybody has any doubt? Samira, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir, it is. No doubt.
No doubt, right?
Yes, no doubt.
Now, see, this is known as a KDS document. So in interview, if they ask you any question like, what are the documents you have prepared in implementation project, please tell that you have prepared a KDS document, key data structure. I'll also be telling you how to prepare the business blueprint document. Okay, but please try to understand what is called KDS document. This is known as a key data structure or KDS document. Now, whatever configuration you are doing, that you have to take the screenshot and put in the another document known as a configurational document. There is one more document you have to prepare known as a configuration rational document. Okay, so that has again some format it has. So here I have the configuration rational document. Okay, so give the document name properly. Let's say I have written like S for Apple, R2R general ledger configuration rational document version 1. So this is the naming convention I have given to the file. So every company will have their own format, but this is the basic format I have prepared. Okay, so put here first of all company logo. Okay, means Apple logo you put here. In the here you put Apple logo. Then you give that you remember I told one ticket number will be there. So the ticket number you put here. Our ticket number is 12345. Then give the description like underscore general ledger configuration rational. Okay, and rational document. Okay, so there will be certain font size will be there. Okay, so everything have to follow, because some client are very specific. If you not prepare in correct size, correct font, they will escalate it. So generally this heading we put into Arial, okay, Arial, and then size will be 24 and make it bold. So put a logo here, put a logo again, company here. Then in next page you write something called object summary. Okay, then write here title, general ledger configuration, rational. Okay, then short description, then write here business process owner, from the business side, from the Apple company side, who is the owner for this config. Okay, who will be giving you the sign off of this document, who will be telling that okay, this document looks okay, I'm providing you sign off. So that owner name you have to write here. Okay, this is my daughter name, Lisa Keyword, that's the reason I written here. Then which is the business process area, either it is related to finance, or it is related to or it is related to it is related to SD. Sometime in finance also you can write like this, finance underscore GL. Okay, like this you can write finance, but in finance which area? So finance, then GL area, finance AP area, finance asset accounting area, finance taxation area. So which area? So you can write like this. Okay, if you have any reference document, okay, to while preparing this document, if you have followed any other reference document, you can give the link of that document. Then status, when you for the first time prepare, status will be the draft version. Okay, you have to highlight this draft version. Then once you prepare this document, you have to upload this document in the ticket number. You remember I told there will be a ticket number, you have to upload there, and you have to tell to your manager, please do the peer review. Peer review means your colleagues or your managers, somebody should review this document before it goes actually for the business sign off. Okay, so peer review means your manager or your colleague will be doing the review. Okay, so that is second status. Last status is approved. Approval will be done by the business. Okay, from the Apple or from this Lisa. Lisa will be doing the approval. Okay, she will be reviewing the document and she will tell either document is good or bad, any modification required. So these are the some status. It is not necessarily your company or your client will also follow same. This status may differ client to client, but this is what generally most of the companies are following. So this is the another box. Then document revision history. Okay, so let's say your manager has reviewed and he found something to be changed. So he'll write here version 1, date, author. First version 1 will be, you will be the author. Okay, let's say date. What is the date? 17/04/2024. I'll write my name. Let's say Hari Kevat. Okay, then let's say your manager is reviewing this one. So I'll add one more below. So some people like this version 1.0. Okay, like 1.1. So it depends how. Let's say your manager reviewed, and after 10 days he is going to review. Let's say 30 till 2024. Let's say my manager is a Samira. She reviewed and she found something. Okay, she found some comment. She is telling that screenshot shots are not clear. She written like this comment. Okay, so I have to look into this revision history. Okay, then this is the table of content. This table of content also very important. If you know the word file properly, then only table of content you'll be able to create properly. Okay, so I'm going to train you how to prepare this table of content also. I hope you know the word how to use the word properly. If not, even I'm also not expert in the word, but whatever I know I'm going to tell you. Okay, so here again you have to write the config rational overview. So right side I have written the what will be the font size and what will be the font. Okay, so it is Arial and 16 size. Then you have to write here config rational again under the one. You have to write the 1.1. Okay, config rational. Then you have to write some basic information about this configuration thing. Okay, you have to write like this. What actually this config you are doing. So it can write like the purpose of something. You can write the purpose of this document is to show the general ledger baseline configuration. Okay, this is important for the any enterprise structure, something like this, some 2 3 word, nobody cares. Okay, what you're writing, all this we have to write few information. Then any dependencies is there, you have to write. Now see here again, next heading comes configuration design. Under the configuration design, you have the configuration step. So it is the summary of the configuration step. Okay, so write little bit here also, some description you write. Then the all the step you have to write here. Okay, so first step, let's say I written like uh, define company. Okay, define company, but path here I have not written full. So he see here define company, and this is the path. So here this is the path. What happened? It's not coming in proper way. Okay, so see here, you can put like this also. Okay, like this, so it looks good. See, SIMG this side, how to put? See here, SIMG the enterprise structure, then put double like this. Okay, double, then control and this arrow, shift and close bracket. Okay, if you put it become like this, so it looks very nice. Okay, so like this you can do like this. See, nice. SIMG enterprise structure definition financial accounting, then go to here like this. Okay, like this. So see, it looks very nice. Okay, so this is the path, this is the configuration task name, this is the either you are configuring from FIORI or from T code. Client dependent, I'll talk about client dependent, yes or no, and language. Okay, then step 2, all the configuration step you have to write here. Okay, summary. Next is a this one. Next you are going to do the create company code. So write here path. Okay, write here the configuration name defined or create company code, whatever you want to write. Write here T code, client dependent, yes or no. Yes, write the language. If it is already written English here, no need to write in all the place sometime. Okay, so make this proper. So like this, double colon you give, then press this one. Okay, these are very very important. Okay, this will consume lot of your time during the implementation project. This documentation consume lot of time. So like this you have to write. Okay, then all the step you have to write which you are going to configure in this document. So let's say this is second step, then let me create one more below, insert below, where it is, then third number. Okay, so third number, let's say assign company code. I'm not writing, I'm directly writing business area. So right here business area. What is the business area path? Almost same, so you can copy also. Okay, you can copy from here if you feel that same, so you can copy here and you can put here. So enterprise structure definition, only last will be define business area, define business. So like this you have to write. Okay, T code is See here, T code is OX03, OX03, client dependent, yes. So like this, guys, you have to note down all the step, okay? All the step by step you have to note down, okay? Then for each step, there will be another config design detail, okay? So here first is a define company. So you have to write here what is the company. You have to give little description about the company, and don't waste your much time. What is company? What I follow, just go here. See, for every topic here note is there. So double click on this one, just copy paste from here. You read a little bit and just copy paste here in this one. I just generally do that one. I copy paste something you write here. Then again you have to write SAP menu, same path you have to write, and you have to write the transaction code. If transaction code is applicable, write, otherwise write NA. Then you have to give here a screenshot. Whatever you have created the company, you have to give the screenshot. So now go to here. I have already created company, some US. So US 75 I have configured here. So I have to take the screenshot and I have to put there. Okay. Take this screenshot. Better first go in the change mode, sorry, display mode, then figure here to, while taking the screenshot, make sure that you are taking the screenshot and taking this system ID also in the screenshot. So it will show that the screenshot which you have taken is from the S4H, that is from the development system. I think since I'm sharing in the Skype, it's not allowing me to take the screenshot. So let me stop the sharing and then take me screenshot. Okay, quickly. I'm stopping the screen sharing and I'm going to take the screenshot. Let me take the screenshot. It is still not allowing me. Okay, okay. I have to click on the record. What is happening? Oh no. I think there is some limitation with the recording. Okay, it's not allowing me to take the screenshot in Skype. So this is the tool. Let me share the screen. Okay, so guys, you have to take the screenshot and you have to put here. Okay, can you see the screen? It's not allowing me to put the screenshot here. That I think Skype is stopping me from taking the screenshot. Okay, so you have to put the screenshot here. Okay, put the screenshot. This is for define company. Now once you put the screenshot for define company code, next you have to again do this one, company code. So see here, when you are typing second step, see very carefully, see here, this is very important, otherwise your table of content will not work. So type here to 3.2. Okay, can you see my screen? Hello everyone, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, so put here 3.2. Next step will be define company code or create company code, and select this one and select this one. Okay, heading. See, for every, see, when this kind of mark comes, if this kind of mark is not coming in the heading, then your table of content will not work. So please observe, this is nothing to do with SAP, this is the MS Word knowledge. So select this one, select like this. Okay, and go to here, click on this one. So if you now see one kind of symbol came here. See, one kind of symbol came. What is the use of this one? Observe it very carefully. If I go in the table of content, see in the config design details, only now define company is there. If I refresh it here, click right click, sorry, double click, update table. See here, update entire table. See, observe it, define company. Now one more step will come. Okay, see, one more step came here. but it is still came wrong. It should come under this one 3.2 and 3.1, and it should come in the sequence of 3.2. It came, but it came as a wrong. So if this is not given properly, this one if not given properly, then your table of content will show wrong. So what I follow generally, I just type it. Okay, see, listen very carefully. I just type it. If you are very good in if you are good in MS Word, you do whatever you want to do, but generally what I do, I write like define company code. Okay, then I just take this one and go to this one format painter, and I put like this. Okay, so it automatically comes like this only. See, it came here, and then I can give them like 3.2. Okay, now go and refresh there. Let's see it is coming properly or not. So click here, update table. See, now it came properly. Can you see define company code? See, it came in the sequence. Correct na, Samira?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
So
Uh,
this is the very important thing. Okay, how to prepare this table of content? Here somewhere it is there. Even I am also not that much expert. Okay, see a
Okay.
table of content. So if you want to bring like table of content, go here, and whatever format you need, just you click on this, so it will automatically come. It will come only if you have selected here below properly. Okay, if you have selected all this symbol is there, then only it will come. This to bring this symbol, you have to choose this kind of thing, then only it will come, other it will not work. So this is known as a configurational document. Okay, so now same for company code also, you have to prepare like this. Copy this one, put like this. Okay, right here path, right here path, go to here. Path you have already written, better copy from here only. So okay, copy this path, then paste here like this. Give the T code OX02. Okay, OX02, that is the T code. And you write a little bit about the company code. So to write little bit about the company code, you go here, and again the documentation is there. Click on this, and you can write little bit. I just generally copy like this. Okay, now I copy paste here, just format it. I don't waste my much time in this one. So like this you do. Okay, then again take a screen print. Please take the screenshot and then put here below of this one. Okay, this is known as a configurational document. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt in
No, sir.
configurational document?
No, sir.
So
Oh,
you make this properly, keep on preparing and keep on refreshing this one. Okay, this one you have to make sure that every table of content is coming properly. Okay, and make sure this looks very good. There is no much, see here little bit gap is there. So all the gap and all if you want to remove, then come here, one more button is there somewhere. Navigation pane, click on this navigation pane. So here if anywhere gap is there na, then it will show here. Let's say here if I'm giving like this gap, then generally it shows here. It is not showing. Let me again go navigation pane. Okay, so generally if there is gap, then it shows here. Let's say here if lot of steps are there, you are not able to check while scrolling up and down, so you can go to navigation pane and you can see all the step. If you double click on any step, it will take you directly there. So it will take you directly there. So this kind of thing you can learn in MS Word, because these are the document ultimately you have to prepare, and if you don't know, then it takes really time. Let's say this symbol, This symbol takes time, okay, if you don't know. So this symbol, again I'm telling how to do. You put this 2 time, okay, this, you know, this minus kind of sign 2 time, sorry, where it went, this symbol minus 2 time, then shift and shift and this greater than symbol, okay, like this, then it become like this. Okay, so this is how you have to learn. So in the beginning you will struggle all these things because you will not be knowing in the beginning. So this you will not be knowing in the beginning, so it become very difficult thing to do. So this is known as a configurational document. Okay, you have to prepare the configurational document, and I want you to prepare this document every day, whatever configuration you are doing in the general ledger. Okay, everything must be recorded in this one. Everything must be properly recorded in this one. Ultimately, by end of the baseline configuration, it will become at least 200-300 pages. Okay, and at last I'll
Oh.
review it. After 1 month I'll review this document, either you have prepared correctly or not. And I also want you to prepare this document also. What is this configurational document also I want you to prepare. So Mira, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please practice this one. Okay, today focus on documentation part, because configuration you will be able to do, but documentation will take little time for you, because I'm not sure how good you are in the MS Word or MS Excel. Please prepare the documentation today, and then tomorrow we'll finish all the configuration. At least 3-4 step will finish. Okay,
Okay, I
is
have
it
a question on the configure on the config.
configurational? Okay, ask me.
Yes. Uh, I know I skipped the steps, but I can find so from enterprise structure I can find define company code on the server.
uh, in the server here.
Yes. Yes.
So this is the one, edit, copy, delete, check company code. This is the define company code. Okay,
No, so no, define company. I can't even find it on the server. So when I click on financial accounting, it gives me something else. It doesn't give me. I don't see any of this. Define company code. Define.
okay, so I think you're directly clicking here. You're directly clicking here. You have to go to enterprise structure. Okay,
Yes. When I go to enterprise structure, the only thing that
please
comes
share
down is
please share your screen. Otherwise,
okay.
can you share your
Okay.
screen so that I can guide you quickly? Samira, can you share your screen,
Yes.
please?
Yes, sir.
Let me stop my screen. Okay. Yeah. Are you sharing?
Yes, I'm about to.
Okay. Okay. Huh. Okay. Minimize this screen. Yeah, please go to SAP. Hello, Samira, can you hear me? You are in mute.
Yes, sir. I can hear you. Let me go.
Yeah, please go to SAP.
So I have to go.
SAP login. Okay. Any doubt if you have, Samira, you can ask me. Don't keep with you. Otherwise, it become problem. Anything you have, don't hesitate to ask me. Feel free to ask me any question.
Okay, sir. I was trying to do it today and I realized it today that it wasn't. So it's today I had the issue with.
Okay, no problem. Please show me. I'll fix it. Yeah.
Okay. Hmm. What's going on here?
Double click. It's opening.
Okay.
Double click. No, no, no. They have told you to log in 400.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Please then give 400.
Okay.
Enter. Enter one more time. Enter one more time. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, there is one button. Go up. One more is there. Click there. Yeah. Click. Two
Right.
little right. Click there. Yeah. Click there. Yeah. Now
Okay. When
put
I
there.
go to
Yeah. Okay.
SPRO,
SPRO.
enter,
Click.
and then
Ref. No. Then reference IMG.
reference,
Click on.
yes, reference
Huh.
IMG, and then I go to enterprise structure.
Yeah, please go to enterprise. Not like that. You have to click on that button arrow mark it then. Yeah, there. Please click. Yeah, click there. Then click
Oh,
on definition. Definition. Don't click on definition. Again, that arrow mark is there, right? So
yeah.
until that arrow mark is there, na, it means that inside you have to go. Okay.
Okay.
If you are finding like arrow mark, it means that inside you have to keep on going. Okay. So go to definition. Yeah. Again, go to financial accounting arrow mark. See, now there is no arrow mark,
Oh,
right? It is finished, right?
now
Now you
see.
have to click.
Okay.
So until arrow mark is there, you have to keep on clicking on the arrow mark. Once that watch button comes, it means that is the end step. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So you have to click on the watch button. Okay. Watch button is there, right? You have to double click on that one to go inside.
Okay.
Double click
Okay.
on watch button. I want you to know, be sure. Click on watch button. Watch button.
You said,
Watch kind of little no click that one. No, little right click on that one. That is watch button. Double click on that one, so it open like this. Okay.
okay.
Okay na.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Please watch the video today recording. You can watch it and you can practice.
Okay.
Fine, right?
Yes, fine.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah,
Thank
bye
you.
bye.